Brandon Sellers of the Sellers Law Firm. How are you doing this morning? I read something this morning on my phone while eating breakfast when I was doing a search for some bankruptcy news, and it was in one of the ads that pop up, the 2 or 3 ads that pop up before your SEO results come up on your phone. And sometimes those are even ads for the Sellers Law Firm, but this one was for a national bankruptcy firm that refers these cases out to local people, and it said, see if you qualify for a bankruptcy within 10 minutes. Well, to me, that was really disturbing because I can't tell you in 10 minutes if you qualify for a bankruptcy. I don't think the other bankruptcy law firms in this area can tell you in 10 minutes if you qualify for a bankruptcy. Sure, if you call me and you say you've got a foreclosure that's happening in 3 days and we need to stop it, well, I can tell you, yeah, we can do that. But that's not a complete answer to in most and almost all situations. What occurs is when we do an interview, we need to know all your information, from your name and social security number and date of birth and all your vitals, any past chapter 13s or chapter 7s that you filed. Then we also need to know about any garnishment, any income withholding orders. We need to know what your debts are, and that can be lengthy and take quite a bit of time. We also need to know if you owe any tax obligations to the state or federal government, if you have any alimony or child support obligations, if you're facing a foreclosure, the possible repossession of your car. And then of course, we need to know your income, your assets. We need to know what your monthly budget is. And we know budgets fluctuate, so we have to go through what your mortgage payment is, what your power bill is, what your car insurance and food, and what you spend on your children each month. That takes time. And at the end of that, we can, I think with some accuracy tell you, yes, you qualify for a Chapter 7. Yes, you qualify for a debt consolidation under a Chapter 13. Or no, you shouldn't file either. I had an older lawyer one time tell me something, and it stuck with me. I always say that bankruptcy is a tool, and debt consolidation through Chapter 13 is a tool. But it's a tool that you use as a last resort. It's a remedy of last resort. An older lawyer once told me this: bankruptcy is the last house on the block. You've knocked on every other door trying to work with your credit card companies, trying to do a loan modification, trying to work with the banks not to repossess your car, foreclose on your house. And you've knocked on all these other doors and everyone's told you no. So bankruptcy is the last house on the block. And when you knock on that door, you have to complete a full interview, which takes some time, to see if someone qualifies. So I guess my point is this. If someone tells you that they can tell you that, if someone tells you, I'm stumbling over my words, excuse me, it's kind of early this morning, but if someone tells you that they can accurately give you an answer about whether you qualify for a Chapter 7 fresh start or a Chapter 13 debt consolidation in 10 minutes, be hesitant. Be very hesitant, because that person is not spending enough time with you to learn what your current financial situation is, because that's what it takes. It takes some time just sitting there talking to you and learning what's going on in your life. And if someone's not going to spend that time with you, then maybe you should try someone else. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Make the most of your day. I'm Brandon Sellers of the Sellers Law Firm, and as always, God bless you. Thanks.